Cash flow is simply the money coming in versus the money going out. The goal is to always be in a positive cash flow situation. This means you are spending within your budget. Many people struggle with cash flow because they spend too much without a plan, leaving nothing for unexpected expenses. Living paycheck to paycheck is a warning sign, and you need a financial planner. To improve cash flow, try increasing your income, reducing expenses, managing bill payments strategically, and avoiding unnecessary debt. Be intentional with the allocation of every rand. Planning your cash flow ensures you always have money when you need it. Create a schedule for expenses and paydays to avoid running short. Do you need help to improve your cash flow? Let's chat. Contact Rich Ideas today.